is April 6th, 2019, and our day is starting where many before have, Bradenton, Florida. We get there just in time to see Bradenton's yard switcher, a solo SD40-3 number 4035, shoving the loaded juice cars just past 9th Street so the power, CSX 999 and CSX 535, can pull up with the empty miscellaneous freight, hook onto the juice cars, and then head toward Tampa. Immediately afterwards, the train, 0823 with CSX 999 in the lead, continues north past 9th Street to head up track 1 and hook onto the loaded juice cars before heading north. Skipping all the boring switching and getting right to the action. 082306 with CSX 999 and 535 get permission north to Tampa after hooking onto the train, also getting permission across the Big Manatee River, crosses US 301 and 41, causing quite a bit of headaches for drivers this morning, but giving me quite the show. This video right here was shot in Palmetto, and I was able to get the drone up just barely, so enjoy what you got. Despite our efforts to leapfrog the train again, we had a tie at the Little Manatee River due to traffic. I only shot the bottom end of his train as I used my camera to get photography shots of the very front of the train crossing the river, and it was a very nice vantage point nonetheless. From here, we went over and got some short videos of a project going on at the Florida Railroad Museum. That will be in a different video. But next up was Q453. I had already had a plan to make a run up to Lakeland because I heard Q453 had 2 Union Pacific SD70Ms on the head. so we made it just in time. He was pulling to a stop at Lakeland, and it was a pretty nice view even though we were a bit backlit. Slowing to a stop at Lakeland Junction, Q453 is a daily manifest freight train from Waycross, Georgia to Miami, Florida. It takes 2 crews to get this train over the road. Second crew will get on in a few hours here at Lakeland, while the first crew is just getting off. And the crew brings the train to a smooth stop. I also just want to say that this crew was very nice when they got off the train. We talked for a little bit, and they were a very nice crew, so quick shout out to them for being such an awesome crew. We really didn't have plans to be out much longer than that, so we made our way west toward I-75. However, while going through Plant City, I saw not 1, but 2 green signals for 2 trains about to go through Plant City. So we stopped in and said, why not? First one was Amtrak 92, making a beeline from Lakeland to Tampa. Next one was definitely an interesting one. The next train was a northbound Q442, a daily mixed freight train from Tampa, Florida to Waycross, Georgia. He was coming out of Tampa with 5 locomotives on the front and a lot of cars. We don't know how many he had exactly, but I'd say he was between 9,000 and 12,000 feet today. Q442 cleared Plant City at about 5 p.m. And that would end our day, as there will be nothing else for the next couple hours. Quick shout out to all the families I met at Plant City. It was a very nice pleasure talking to all of you, and I'll see y'all in the next video. This is Kotabeaner, out.